when it yes Sidina. Nasia Bosadina. Kotoganina Koto. Takramanina Pamukasa.
Asempa FM.
We give you all the glory. We worship you, Jesus. When we mention Jesus, every knee shall bow and every tongue shall confess. What a wonderful morning! On the 8th of October 2019, at the Radiashi, where you took Roketwa and Musampi. We honor Jesus. Have your place, oh God. We are live on Asempa FM 94.7. Those who are listening from live FM Cape Coast 107.5. Those who are watching from there Asempa Radio on Asempa Radio. God bless you so much. UK, Germany, America. And those are on my Facebook page, Apostle Solomon Odro Facebook page. God bless you so much. Nana Sewa Papa B, Innocentia Kwedo, Ahmed Adote, Adoma Edith, Victoria Dako, Theophilus Kwesi, Eradin Shawan Opay, Mama Mercy, Fia Ampol, Patrick Lolo, Ejechi Atwa Anopay, Richard, God bless you. Keep sharing on the Facebook. Mama Show Asempa Facebook. Francis Kwashi, Eradin Shapa. From now up to 12 noon, we are going to teach you about church on your man. Eshi woni pabra boma edini penya. Simon, God bless you. Kokroko. Dora was say. Anopaya the radio sigmedi ye tokro ketwa mu sampi. Wa Asempa FM 94.7. Eye dwumedia ye church nipa nyoma e woni pabre boma hinta sane abaye na obeka tofo na no minim sa no panya me ato hoye ufie mo hoye awrade ka bone fo na no tum ade a me pesa hoye ne say just pick your phone, call someone, a friend, a brother, a sister, say anope onti Asempa FM ayeye nyoma e hinta woni pabre boma di ni panya na mo somfo Solomon Odro mitsanko myaburu so ye biebie mo church nipa e mo nipa ni ba ne ho so anopai me dey aseda PSA the mami producers ya Isa Queen Star Pakwashi Action General Sandra Reverend Dr. Shout to Odro Reverend Godfrey and Akweku Odro Jonas Ewuku Abraham and Opera Shopper. If you start be copying up on top bread here, then somewhere hint how you pabra boy didn't penny on your day brewo. Nayada, you get the Fosse, give a scientific herbal clinic, Rocker, Van Castles, Grace Homopathic. SempaFMOnline.com and a PF Rise or Bapa Products and a Kebam Ointment and also Yasri. Eradisha bodies olive oil. Asatra Pampa Bodin. You get 20.
Rati. Pejanedino, Shalediano, also Heno, Maya Soro, Omako, Ejayasro.
And now no pay. And Pabono question near Befre, Reverend Dr. Chinibua Kodia, Bishop elect. Now on the action come on about family case, generational case, Educrofonia, Victory Bible Church USA. And let me pass a bomb pay be a no deal pain. Yes, sir, I deserve the moye. Now, how the money be a buy a bremono? What do you mean from my end? Isaiah chapter 54, the verse 17. I couldn't be anywhere but here with Benjamin. Not such a maybe a best Soviet Yawano. Bible see a bunny for our time woman. When in your major padie, and now I'm not paying me so what they say. October on the 8th, 2019. I couldn't be a winner on pay yes anymore. Erade abasa kase no twitwane wo. Mashe encheche bi ase aba enipa ya num sam no mia edi nipa nya nipa brabonya ena no pai meka to se menshuro wo nya mi bi ye ne nenam ankra to ne kan ye o se menshuro ye wo nya mi ye ne nenam okotwa nsuo ne nan kensuo. Everybody show everybody me kwama na odompo emi ma no pay ano pay me tesanyu mi sey na me kra paja Asempa FM ko enoma ebubo beli ni pasona no odin o he o man yetim nsama de echi yetie enoma ekoso man Ghana I was saying, me, boy, yen, onimu yen, fiena, yana yamono. Ojia tata, no tumo yen, could we, papa. And some of famous in Trabande. A good just one, I could chant. Hatting enough, papi, in a fire by all the man, Genesis chapter 1 Bible say Nerade boshu bostase from verse 1 kono verse 2 of Rasekasai Mama emfa onum asemu ni agro e omu sa o mana so de dia banya botrem omo wudi egu onum asemese wa wo ma wonum asemese wa nkasa wuku wankasa wo maame ebia no bobi de bufu akeso da wa yo bi bone okoye faso no mi beni pabra bom na doso Tell me, no need pardon and no mecano. Say, Papa, you wanted to know me, Brenny Pa. The Samino called the book of James, chapter 5. Ready for some James? No. Proverbs 13, the verse 2. What a man shall eat good by the fruit of his mouth. Adeɛ bi onipa bɛka bia no ɛno aso so ne bɛsa ba wɔ so sɛ yɛ papa sɛ yɛ bɔne ɛnomia sɛ nipa bebree wɔ abrabɔ mu ɛnomia ma nipa bebree wie yɛ ayɛ basaa ɛnomia ma bia wɔwie gu ɛnomia ma bia yɛ nipa sansan wɔ asase so ba anɔpɛ mi sɛ Awurade mi ekɔ ama wo. The Lord said, let there be light, and light came. To catch your bass up, money in the Peru banner so. And for no more Samunia grow. Paul and to me, I want to protect your muscle. It was Francia addressing James. This will be the book of James, chapter 3, verse 6. Say Kakesia. A solemn utterance intended to invoke a supernatural power to inflict harm or punishment on someone or something. Ayasemi ekefi yenum. Ayeshe ema tumi bi kram. Ema esay obi aneni pa bi abrabo. Asempa FM. Say me say me pese woni gu asebe say wo say. Me mano ne beka. Okwaya fa so wo fie konwanya asese wo obramu no obi ne de na no kokan ye. Tina sa wo nyame na wo bon pa ya hwempa ya obetumi aboyie. Wokwa amamre mu ahifie. Sa wo kasa ye careful wano fuma twa odwan. Wa kasa ye otwa kokko. So police ni ba chiw. E wo fia e na wo ye bibia. Was ya sebia be kan bia no. Ye de betia o law court. To nipa wonu masam de ye careful. E bia wo ko ye bibi wo de bufo boni dua batonim. And Awurade abasa ye kese wo so no pay. Come on, in the book of James, chapter 3, the verse 6.
And the tongue is a fire, a world of iniquity. So is the tongue among our members.
My God.
That it defileth the whole body, and setteth on fire the course of nature, and it is set on fire of hell.
Continue.
7. For every kind of beasts, and of birds, and of serpents, and of things in the sea is tamed, and has been tamed of mankind. But the tongue can no man tame. It is an unruly evil, full of deadly poison, wherewith bless we God, even the Father, and therewith curse we man,
Asempa FM,
which are made after the similitude of God. Out of the same mouth proceeded blessing.
Mami other version, but me pesa me catch you be with me and opay say. Techament dey anim no anopana me kan wo radio station bi. Na me catch you say Awurade nim say techament tie. Tumi e kura techema. It be bi o de techema ko say no. O de tunsuom ade na de aduasam ye no je hu hia e. Esa ne plus asa ka ho. Se be ansa na be pie be kasa no. Wo be dwen ho ansa na wakasa. So obufu me pacho ye careful. Woni gia ye careful. Ko asem ya be kan bia wo sunsanso. Woni pabra botie bia woni panum asem. Aye ensam na afom wo shebre. Obi ko school a ye teach na ngapa awia na wo hia bibi. Obewie no was me engineer. Me a doctor. Me a doctor. Me a say. Me a architect. Wa question bibi wa tin say be my dey part of him or her. Binim ensem ya watete wasuma a form of shebrad here. But anopa be sem no bon pa yesro everybody say. Everybody fan ensen kan yen. Everybody yen fi was say yemu. James Kasem was say tachema ye nipa ho aketo bi. Na ti say ja e hikwaye. Na etumi defy nipa dua ni nyina. Na ba bi ye mi hu kura boy the verse 9 no. Was say tachema kro ye di hwurade. Yes, I the boni pedia, Nipenya Miabon Senesso. Listen, would you go touch him bit me a boodia sour life? Baby, and Massassi, so no man call you, Mano. I did back on a pepper, some new shan or penny a bon pie. And Phenomena grow. Say, Uno Binia summer, make it just of best settler summoner. Near summer, ya can't yen. Dear, what you wasum, a Juma. Curse yade bakwa e dini pebebre nya wabrabo mu fiti Genesis and already first year introduce to curse e be ni pabrabo mu asase so eye ready the di kind eche ni pastor you under curse because of disobedience etini enome sometimes no eye asode and a frefre no me de braye eye asode Ebra Adam Ebunyami asam super. He was blessed at the beginning, but when he disobeyed God, curse began to take over his body, his land, and everything. At the moment here, you're better a shano. Now say you want to so the opposite of curse is a blessing. It's a radisha man. Adam was be multiply, replenish, be fruitful, have dominion. Ebra would disobey Yakupon pay. The right body dear was a mad domino. The ammunition was an yefi with some. So you can be a blessed woman, a blessed guy. I will pay your power, but would the curse can destroy your life. Curse can disorganize your destiny. When you make us say, assassin now obey the son of Crown, Madame, Oba suffer. It you know, and somewhere rather kind a year Juma only Pabra Bomu. Frisatamon, and no me a year Juma only Pabia Brabum. Bebrenana would appear here, Caradia shopper, but because of family curse, you were ancestral curse. Are we innocent Uber Toma, not a frasia trendy, net it your life? And my baby, when you dear part, they can be entrepreneur, they can be great. And my baby, but because of ancestral curse, generational curse, we just need. And the radio person told us what it. What more near Bobos can wear the ascent a good tracing, a dressing, Biscamashi. Because some men she's can with you. Say, yeah, economy has sometimes been tested. Many people think say be offer Jesus so we no carry and one no. I am telling you, you have a work to do. The battle is here. And you have to fight. You have to fight against demonic plans, activities. Paul said, we are hard pressed on every side, yet not crushed. We are perplexed, but not in despair. Persecuted, but not forsaken. Cast down, but not destroyed. The good news is said, oh yes, we are farm. Psalm 34 verse 19. One man yet dorsal, there's Christian to be free. Oh my, was also for years so we no cry we declare war against demonic kingdom. the enemy will fight against you. He will try everything possible to attack you. And sometimes your past experience, baby, free, your mommy fear that the enemy can stand upon those things and fight against your future. Now, was someone so obedient, you would do a saying, and it will sit in. Sometimes we are tone speaker, but we do my miatem. Who cause sorry power, but Papa Castle. It is him I said, dying, to be when you miasem. You couldn't meet him, I want Pabon and Yamaje. To Hebrews 4, the verse 16 was saying, let us come boldly to the throne of grace, that we may obtain mercy and find grace. And in time of need, the grace will help, support, provide. Body be a why I didn't know me about here. What could will be a dear? And then be baby a swatch after Pibonum. Now, mamma, what you said, the race was Santa no me a benny passo. Number the work was soon sumo, and no matter to be medical phobia are my life affected. Was it Nipanya me born send you soon in a banso? Catch him to me, Seno. So no matter how powerful you are in the Lord, one more near me, the one shower the one you will sit here, curse can destroy your destiny. And I remember some no bonfire. Now, yes, sir, everybody said, everybody to me, everybody Basam Rayaso. Now, no can be about Genesis chapter 49, and then it should be a matro. Reuben, aye, Bema, never pedika one. But the Kaka was a aswordin Nipa from Umbra and what attract a case. Don't matter over from Penom. Blessing your crown free home, let no me replace it. Reuben, Genesis, obey me as she has had you whip. Now, Reuben, yes, I'm a certain in town. And Finn Yago say, oh, me warfare, oh, me see me fear you, my woman, ma, my worry. Don't depend on what you have. Man, you want to say, you be an far home. Make sure you settle. If apologize, just apologize. Pacho, nako free. Because soon we dear some, I won't dear some, Yami dear some. Yep. Yami de Maya, you may bring what can I deliver the baby bring from home. I a custom sumo assembly a best shock. And with this, a way baby. Next idea we had to have a brewer. Just one time trying to amend it. Say be a chain echo for Hauma. Jacob friend and Mawu Genesis. The same Jacob we are. One of friend Manasseh and Ephraim. Now here Manasseh dear. Manasseh Joseph a Bapeni would become one Egypt. What to the belly say? Me refi meje fie no me meje fie o how meje fie bebrese nessa Manasseh edin e kura no e din epepa yaw epepa mane e mo ni pe refi ne wa fam eti abra Joseph nyaw o hene aba wareye na wo wu ya woto ne bandi woto din sa Manasseh was say awurade ma me refi meje fie no me ana wasa so obi woto din Ephraim. I said, say, what be man so my fruitful. Say, bitterness, pain, and free woman, you can never be fruitful. So Manasseh took away the pain, the bitterness from the life of his father. Ephraim, Emma, Joseph be fruitful, but a bread Jacob by now, or bless woman. Bible said, the near Friday, the near Friday, when you need, Bible said, the knee, or whom we was from Mofana Bremi. Mofana Baya, no what changing is our cross on Elsa. Or the Nifana to Peninoso, or Nifana to a Kumanaso, or the Bekuna to Peninoso. Joseph said, that the Yasa was a German Amania Mayor. That the idea we oversell Abu Fanabra was still Mayor. Now, Ofrasia Kasaye or Asamo or Frasia Pronason Seminum was it Jame? So, my man, ya dear me, a metro seminar war. Bible said, according to history, Egypt, California, the Papa Pecho, Star One Brain, Asempa FM, or Tommy Manasseh, or Brenna Sewasibo, who penny near the few and some. Who near command and other summon war? Who near command of a consumer Jarry? Ah, daddy ade wo ye de ye be ha bofra da achen was me de jam na me meye wo kan ni na wie no jam bofra no koye ampa Manase benyini ya obo bra no Judges Manase nana counsel pa ene Gideon why great man, why a powerful man, but because of Nejafie no me wo hontinum no otumi ensucceed otumi prosper. It both from Poshia Gideon say Gideon, a mighty man of war value, rise up, faithful man, righteous man, humble man, rise up. Now on Jimmy was the Nejafie yeni kuma neso neka komenya kuma neso yo bia no na cheji saade no minima de bia cheji wo shebre a cheji wo abrabo a cheji kase ye de but now make us say o da bi jefa from mu ese sad boni bia ya place wo shebre so wo Yesu de mo hallelujah amen. The same Jacob ya and ono ane ma wo mo ne ma Ruby Penny the last born Benjamin or film or say woman make a basic that chenche mo ufrase na wo bo opani ni dua na wo domeno na wo kese no ma me fa ko kakra the same papa ya ono ne papa Isaac ebra o pese wo hira ne ma no wase Esau kwaye duane bam na mini ebra Rebecca te ya owia no kwaye duane e de ma Jacob o de the Bible say na ebra o de duane was ene no ese Jacob ba honam no se Esau was that ye mia wo frase kensam pronounce ye oso be yenhira net seka ye Esau pa and ba ya nanka o kese de wo maye no eti o de blessing ni na ma Jacob ehira no ana a wrong person wo shari wie ya Jacob Esau ba ye no was a ehye ni na asa was asa dia ka ye no me dia ka ye obre dia ka ye mane na so to make kentre wo ho a ubeyi no me na fi wo so na o se asase so odin ana be nante ya de baby ho me na ma obi dada awari e papa ya de ma obi ba awari e ba bo amako ho mpo yetumi nyima wo na aka stone baby ya mu hini mu no emu na betra ya de stone ya shemu no na ma obi foforo eruti no enoma ya de ma isonya ya enoma no odin enoma enye papa but o can the last word was to make kinsen wo ho a to be bomb palia be yi san konua no mi konua na firi wo so anopa mi bo Isaiah 10:27 konua biara no mi bia da wo ma me maso ye fo so ene onyame jantom amen eba de sano ye be bomb palia so eba say eba de mi kwamaye Jacob was Ruben oboso meniyim oboso to me mu we ma ho de fiti ase eye wona me wo e fa me daddy. Because of you, I became a responsible father. But I don't care. I don't care your certificate. I don't care how beautiful you are. I don't care how eloquent you are. But I dear why and what from was so thing will come and say, oh, my pet, oh, my pet. And what tell me the enemy board here. One wa castle. What do not tell my castle? What do my metam my castle? Oh, no, baby, I won't. What about finding that? The Bible, Mamino, or Bodia. What the tenkrati at a booty so be ye. Asempa FM. When you're such an one when you're empire, Papa won't 2 pound down. Or baby, the sick show. What blow home a year, the way Jano, cough off a floor, and I'm will enjoy a boba. I thought it be your body being a best shock you. Will be the yow a castle goose. What you be cool power, Nick, what you be cool palma, ye jawaban, Emma won, and they are shock your 4 misses. A chase a man, but obey the yawa, Tommy, obey the yawa board, obey the yawa case, me go so. Where ya bear my what do I want to see ma? Now, my matter for my bear, my matter for my war. Now, a man, tia will come out. Obey who now would the Yoko by a deity, nor the yawa castle. Minim war, woody and Yamwa who tell papa our board, dear. Don't joke, say, when no castle, papa and castle, it ain't your juman. So what me and more than Paya Kohuno, maybe a one panacho, one man, this asam, now the diagram would to me so did that. What do so be at him? waka so fi ho asɛm bɔ asɛm ɛnya no korɛ wɔbɛkɔ ka bi ɛnya no korɛ hwɛ Miriam na wɔnim sɛ ɔfɛ sɛ Moses wife na ɔne ne tie no sɛ na ne wife no ne background efi Israel but no munim akɔ so bɛyɛ Ghana ni not ebia UK Britain no what Britain passport na so yɛ Ghana ni na yakopɔ sɛ mo obia nware ebia UK ni na bia sofa kɔ ware obia UK sɛ na maame ne free Ghana ana wanya brochie passport ana Miriam ɛkɛnsɛm ne yakopɔ dome no mama okasa too much. Don't exercise yourself in great matters. Any part of the summer break, okasa too much. Who will be car, okay, where they are caught car. We come near Yakupon Sa, or must one abrabomu. Okasa too much. Which were Asempa FM. One more the Casano. I am telling you, a bit yes, some of the amount. Any pie and number whom you know, who bonnet, who papa, idiot, the monk chrome. Nasa, some whom you know, when the dear dance, you know, my day-to-day life. Because I rather use I not pay. I don't know, but me think I not pay. I rather be jobi. I buy we see so. Mushe wo fie. O ma me abobi asa wo untumi nye yie ngo ma onfa entoma chiro bada. Na fe so ma me boa. E se o ma me no wanyini wonya na ke wato duane wato ntoma bre no ba na num asam no e na ma wa bada power nkra ha no. O papa de ya wa kese. Because Osama wan call because we pay school fees. For the yawa castle. Jacob, and then he power and impra. It took a corocra and a kawafum. Oh, papa no chimpra. Nameso, me am your bounce no umpranada. No, me be any. But sometimes wrong. Would you know be diagra? Now, so you're right. No one petrol. Woman penny from petrol one my one. A chase some dorsum. Cause Jesus. I don't pay. Hebrews 12. Verse 24. A bonfire. Se moja bi kasa. Adeba kwa sande no me ba tete apama ye papa mako pam tweko koni moja ne sa preko ni nkrama ne sa no ma no Bible say na ebe moja kasa moja ne kasa boy ni moja kasa o Kei akukum ni nuya ebe wa ya abortion no mi yaka yefun obi ira bodua papa no wa ire pa skanti capital nti passport nti abrochi nti kanti ude to bi kumpa ama ne yire ehu pa se wona ne kofie mpra wa bodua e se ofe so da ka mu to you okay embe be so be wusu so aso be ba wo so ye bom peka kire wa de se be bia ya fom be bia ya fom bia no e ba de fenche ye bom pa ya bowra Isaiah chapter 1 the verse 18, 16, 8, 17, and 18, and 19. Was it you be sit here, you be this association pa? Was a born it said, Damna Mampaba, why if it are? Cause already Yesu. Me to me cry why Yesu Mojam. Me watch him in Pebia where Yesu Mojam. Emra to be a mato. As soon as you are me before. Oh, me mammy and him. Me papa and him. Oh, me quanim. Oh, me granim. Oh, me boss when him. My can send me. I found the boss who are. And you know, crap. But the Macola. I found money be swag. And you know, crap. And what do me a Jumano? Me secretary afa kwaboni bi so me maybe afa kwaboni bi so am wadome me Ewade fansa kame ehu me mobo owura wa bi wadwuma kofo yadwuma wonti omoka wo tumi wo ska wo police fo nti wo soja fo nti ne nipa na ya kofie na ne mako buada wo so ya wadome se wo so be ye hiani se wo ye hiani no acha 20 years we say we do na she now you know use jeep no now we truck I am telling you what is synchrofo when crofo ye juba omo ye juba na maduma na paja e say wo pa omo makọ school I am master wa buochire papa ye careful the idea one from no wate the pedi ya wo no kasa e be count na Ruben fin say o wa hodi wo tumi mu wa hodi wo nyansa mu no fe so o bibi ntino ne de papa kan enya djuma say na be kan da che say na be ka obu am fe so o mako school say eko bank bo family pa me set ntino I can get car udi agro obu of say na chi ne to doso nifu doso ne kala doso ona memma na peno memma na bes doso sister sebre no so na no me ne adwuma be ma bien so ped kwala nko a o catch say say na no me biara a eye adwumati awo o ye sofo wo break obi asore what you be members akoti asore e say no wo de ekoso wo to daka mu wo wani agen o brebe so be shock o and now what you say me empiri akoma se bole fafi wo nyame anim se wade fa cheme se kwanda hono makoni pa nchen o papa nchen ma nchen frɛ no eno ente wo ho fa so frɛ se me pa cho ne me yeti obi afa cheme na no me a di pa adwene a ebe ni pa so no den what it wuku sam de no me ato oba ba ko pa den tia me ware wo me bibia sei o ma ku asuagu so wo ire asuagu so wo ire so onye omobo upia wo ma ono bia wunni what it the sam adome ade wo de medi agro ka wuntie ka wona ka yo ba na ka wonyina ka upia ka na ukupia na ka o ma ka bo say ya ye catch everybody say no pay no me bia ye adwuma ba ne kasa fa se bon empire.
Father, we pray that, oh God, we stand according to your word. Your word said that the blood of Jesus speaketh better things than the blood of Abel. We pray in the name of Jesus that any curse, knowingly or unknowingly, any curses from the bloodline, curses from the paternal and the maternal background, in the name of Jesus, working against us. This morning we pray that by the blood of Jesus, we know the name of Jesus.
Who fear me patrol? Who bet me fensu and now pay bodies olive oil and fuck one chair when you grow. On our Facebook apostle Solomon do a Facebook. Na share me be. We be at a message. Charles or supposed to meet you. Me share one church no me ya arewa come here no pay. The may be any ye. He may bomb home what day. Yes, may be a may ye. Let's me yes ye. No baby be a may ye no so me whom you know. Minimum tell me to me go ba. Doctor Sashi in your me. Let's meet me say. Abu Fatima Yamana say. Me obi machine pack a second for pa. Let me be ye. I don't pay chance about the finance and can what here. Obi be a Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday. Asempa wa kene no me abrewo. Wo go bi anim ase. Unto bi adwuma finisa. Unto bi kaya je. Konkonsa hene. Wo kan kwofo ho nsam. Adwuma no nko na anim ye. Wo be so bia be bi. Etu ma ya pam obi kofie. Ameni ne school fees. Aye kama no ne matifie. Wo de o ma eko school. Wa dum na anam no. Nyame me ma o ma no ne beto om no wo mpe. Obi ma school fees ya tama bro me de etu dan kama. Wani age. Ato TV fa besim ama. Ato fridge besim. Ato mpa besim. Ana yiri mpo on tohwe ma no. Wani age for the darling. Wo be for the devil. Kasa no pay. Wo how bia. And ma so den so. Me pejanya me wo srai. E rade ani mo. E rade fatum bi. Fatum ya no pay. Wo bi mobo. Mi borra. Hebrews 4 verse 16. Wo bi mobo. Aye boni etia. Yem dia me ma me no. Nenye. Me nim se me dibem. Ba cheche me say. Me before. Ayo bi boni. Mamo bi ejuma finisa. Mamo bi ku anware no. Mamo bi ku anware no. Mamo bi ira anware no. Majo bi ku finisa. Mi to bi betumi anko school. Enu mi bia me saka. E ba de fache me. Makoduro soda. Me de mako sebo sosa. Amam no me yaka me ma. Me mako nsuo soda. Enam adwuma ne aware enti. Makoto me kra. Ama brosam. Erade. Jesus so bia. aba me so anopeya fache me sesia fache bompaya makata
we ask for mercy, O God. Your word said that let us therefore come boldly unto the throne of grace, that we may obtain mercy and find grace, and the grace will help us in time of need. We ask for your mercy, O God. We pray for your mercy, O God. We pray that, O God, forgive us our sins, O God. Wash us from all iniquity in the name of Jesus. Ayam Kaliba Hosaya, Itelebe Kaliba Hata, in
the name of
Jesus Christ.
Maybe I can't want somebody, Pastor Reverend Bishop elect Birmingham. Incestuous. Woman, you man, mother. When mother. When cases no matter down. When you water dam ponching and cram on the dam. She shall show woman and no me about sure. Obi bia wo sisa ne wada wo papa ne wada wo mama ne wada wo ne wo kesi ada wo ne wo nua bada wo yire chiri bada hey wo ne ko chiri bada my God and the no me biara ye fini panum ye fasa sia wote so uku no wa oni wo nua da so onim ye shege me stand up pay and pay twato ne ma papa na bam say what they say obi bia wuti me no pay I don't know my sofa, but Pedja and was Salcosro. Fabia with 3 mammy. Fabia won some. Fabia won him. No book had a deal. Bomber make had a deal. And the bush a deal. Then I made the Adjoa Grace, Papa de Yawa Ferry. Made the Quan would draw. Castle Jesus, and Toby Amebo. I send your bushia. Are you Quabusia? Are you Quabusia? Are you Quabusia? But why are you Kuni? Bodi, Bodi, Mebome dear, Mimi Asunini, Maybe are you Kuni? Me are singing near Massifri and Macomb, Santiago Macomb, Mococa near and ya. I'm a crab boy, a pine. It may bomb pay me in Paya baby, I'm a bacco. Queens, I also dare say, a crab boy, a preco, and a crab boy a day. Oh, dear pine. Cramine. Hey! Queens, how dear Cramine. So go for it, what's way? Oh, dear day. Win him. O crabwa. Action was way. Crocodile. Denchem. Jonas was way. Huh? Jata. It didn't know why to Tumsano. Yeah, but are you way? Offer Yahweh. Papa Yahweh. Obusaka boy a day. Which I also catch me. A win here, papa. A bushedu me, you know, be on a crabwa. But all the other day. What the other day, Pacosi? Aku. Hey, and then when you cry, yes, Aku. Abraham Wahifa. This is Yapacho the other say. Denchem. Hey. Abraham Wakraboy a day. Asempa FM. Unimudie. Jesus dear Jata. Left in the your chain. I'm telling you. But make me a Bible move or be a crabwa, a bushodi me make with me a be a crabwa. Atro. Cause Jesus. I no pay ya. Yeah, Boca Canadian Pabanaco to 21st Center Friday. Cause I no pay. The bomb is seven paya. I will show me free. I watch him too far. Ebushia mi free mu. Aseni ebushia. Me mami fie. Me papa fie. Ayoko ebushia. Tumi biara. Efifi ho. Eni mi di asie. Me bompaya. Eno mi awu mi tumu. Jesus. You mi di free mu. Wo Yesu di mu. Bompaya twato.
Jesus Christ.
Once I before your time, man, your time soon, dear. No matter be a dear. Uber to me on Facebook, but some yard be mount. Who come page in this apostle? So we do Facebook now. Control a crab wedding. What they a dog, a jamwa, cramine, What they kwan de bi. Oko Facebook and watch from me when ko fia. October we me bon paya bo udin. Na ma bobo ndi aka kire we sade bi e wobo ni mo sunsun so ba mo so. E wa den cancel. Me yam baby will be just free come Facebook page. Apostle so mo do Facebook page. Obi say on dia akroma. Oko Facebook page na watch from ebia akroma. Then chem whatever unimu from my missus in the busa no control near Mompire mount the coffee and a Jimmy Bompa will be there voucher petty Franklin and the petty or Bakama say the petty do when you will be there dog Grace Lamte dog and what they put there or the petty the deal bush aswa and Guasia be film the patron uko Facebook page Apostle will do a Facebook page. Diner there or snake. Obi so there asona wo. Obi so there lion jata. Me patcho otra me kofie me bompa aya monko asempa so there na mo listening na ma me kofie ya me bompa ye do mu ina akonyamiem say akrabo bia oda na adwo e ba ne fie ene cassette ya no bade nkasa e ma no. Nyame ya adoma International Trade Fair Center asetna pampa bodenden. Coming Friday, Obi a utimi bia na afen say you under curse no me be di wunya papa fie den awari ni hodwuma ni ho unu sister da ma me ada unu brother nyame adoma Friday yi na ye sa adwuma no e wo Trade Fair Center Friday no me 6 etemo na adwena akopema no pa 4 Oba to communion wine and I want to me at all about Oba Memoma be yebi ho abe some stage ho stand ho na what be to be ho no mo na masoma bosom pa na machewa dia de be obenu bi ho no mo na de bia no sister on kramanda oni jatada oni aponchanda krama kurada amafo be fi ade bia ye part of you de ona na ye ya wo so ene mo ma no musu musua mo ye bie no me bia mani peja wa hwe wo fi ho Yami adoma Friday ye break sadie no. A man to me will be 30, 40, 50. O are sabe mani bi adue. Brebe jema wuku no pemado do. Be jema wo he no oye kronfo. Tutu bottom too much wo fi ho. Be bompa ye ne nyame fa ne senka no. Obi akaseti abre bi mabrewa na kese no. Be patcho bra na e dead ye so ma Ghana nyina. Say ye shemo Trade Fair Center Friday on the 11th October ya. Ni abompa ye se nyame na ne ye no me maye. Me call na me Reverend Dr. Chinebo could be a bishop elect at Chinkombo. Talk crooked wa. Daddy me pacho yema achi ediba Asempa FM 94.7 in live FM 105.7 Asetrapa radio and a Facebook. Papa ya meneka say efeno Reverend Dr. Chinebo could be a bishop elect. Yami adoma this month ye ni bishop. Oye Victory Bible Church so for a penifoni bi o boy papa bishop tekia boechi dompa hisia no on US odi makotena oboa na papa bia Ghana fo bi ni mu no wa bi nyame asemu na masofu di mu no oboa mi wo nyame asemu e ma obiebie ni eba mysteries ya nyame di adom no papa anope ye kasa about enome de ye kasa ko fato ye ho so de ye wo ye tu mu obi di ato ye so krono ya bo ne akire sensem ne yenim kwase ebu ye bu nkrofo ene foma ya fom ye ne bi ye nua da akire no me ye ne ma me nua da ye ne sister da akire no me ne sa no ma no e dosom bemni sa wo de nyame adom mu me pese me ti mo ase na gidifo ne tiefo so ti mo ase papa me ja sha on sa within 10 minutes na ne kasa
Apostle me dawasi bebre me chia wetifo nyinara ne wo ma ehwe wo Facebook wo asemo awade dato akoma so a wo pese da pen yi wo ye ho adwuma aye enome ewiase anyame boye no o ye nhihye ye bebre ewom se ne be ya ewiase ne betimi akọ se ne a wahyehyɛ no na emra ba ko a ode tun mu a ye adwuma na ye adwuma wo ewiase mu da biara da nipa da sɔre ye bibia brof me friend the law of polarity no ene ma ye hu se bibia na me boy bia no ɛwɔ nsunsuansoɔ mmienu.
Wow.
Yɛwɔ owuo, yɛwɔ nkwa, yɛwɔ yareɛ, yɛwɔ ayaresa, yɛwɔ nhyira, yɛwɔ nnome. Abere biara no saa nneɛma a ɛwɔ day and night. Yɛwɔ seasons. Ne nyinaa no ɛyɛ pole baako a etire no conditions ɛwɔ hɔ no sesa. Ɛte sɛ thermometer. Sɛ yɛka thermometer deɛ ɛde susu ewie mu hyeɛ ne nipa ho hyeɛ ne ade no.
Wow.
Pole baako no line no ɛkɔ soro a na temperature no increase. Line no ba fam a na temperature no reduce.
Wow.
Wow, saa na nhyehyɛeɛ no tie. Nti no ɛnome ne nhyira ɛka abɔdeɛ nhyehyɛeɛ ho.
Wow.
But akɔyɛ te sɛ ewuo ne nkwa a ɛda tekrɛma so no. Nea opɛ n'aba no ɛna wudi. Nti no nyama wɔ hɔ, nkonkron wɔ hɔ, Jesus wɔ hɔ, ne mogya ne nnwumagye ne nyinaa wɔ hɔ. But ne titiriw nankasa no sɛ wobɛkɔ nnome mu anaa wobɛkɔ nhyira mu sɛ wowɔ nyame afa anaa wo ne nyame afa no ɛgyina usu ɛne wo ban ne wo ne yɛyɛ how you respond and react to certain promptings of life.
Wow.
Nnome ɛgyina asɛm so. Nhyira ɛgyina asɛm so. They are all centered around words.
Asempa FM.
Ɛno nti no abɔdeɛ biara a ɛtumi release words etimi hyira. Etimi release words etimi dome. Nyankopɔn release words ɔbɔ adeɛ nyinaa. Satan release words wɔyɛ abɔdeɛ. Angels release words ɔmo yɛ abɔdeɛ. Ɛna nipa release words ɔmo nso yɛ abɔdeɛ.
Wow.
Nti no ɛnome a ɛwɔ nhyehyɛeɛ mu no sɛ woka ne Bible na we have the curse of God, we have the curse of Satan, we have the curse of angels, and we have the curse of men.
Wow.
Ebia wɔ ne nsunsuansoɔ, but ne nyinaa mu no the foundation is the curse of God. Sɛ nyame dome because ɛnome edi kan pue wɔ nyame asɛm mu no efiri Nyankopɔn ano.
Yes.
Ɔdome wɔ no. Ɔdome asase nam nipa bɔne nti. Emma ede brɛ no wɔ ha eba nipa brabom. But sɛ ɛnome nam a ɛte sɛ nhyira ɛbɛ baabi atena.
Wow.
Proverbs 3:33 ɔse nhyira ɛwɔ trenee ni fie but ɛnome ɛte ɔde bɔnyɛ nneɛma mu yoni efie. Nti ɛnome sɛ yɛ nhyira sɛ yɛ nome no ɛpɛ baabi atena.
Ɛwɔ konwa ɛpa konwa.
Nti sɛ nipa ma no tena bia ɛwɔ asase so. Nti either sɛ wo nipa nankasa wobɛgye nome na tena wo so.
Ama na konwa tena so.
Yes. Anaa wobɛgye na tena wo fie.
Jesus.
Anaa wobɛgye na tena wo community mu. Anaa wobɛgye na tena wo company mu. Anaa wobɛgye na tena wo man mu.
Jesus.
Community any country. Wode so wobɛhwɛ region 16 ɛwɔ Ghana nyinaa. Wakɔ ne nyinaa mu akɔsa anwea.
Yeah.
But wobɛhu sɛ baabi a wobɛkɔ bia condition is different.
Yeah.
Adentina one country 16 regions, but a small region be an any condition.
And you know, different. And you know, cry is sonko.
Yes. Say if we are no respond to sa and she say no.
Wow.
Nyanko bo aging true. O shira asase no. Nyame shira asase no. Ne ba ne san na edane no me. The same land.
Wow.
Oh, and the apostle say, yes, near here, and how do we deal with the situation that we don't like? Because a curse will always bring about a deviation of purpose. It will derail your course of action. It will delay your promises and blessings. Jesus. You will even despise the good things that God has given to you. But then said no you are not able to even appreciate them. And you know, so what kind of Bible now? Maybe I wish we would take it up again some other time. Yeah, when names Snabia Nankopon share Because there can be no curse in the land, according to Revelation 22, verse number 1 to 5. There can be no curse. But so number one, the holy city of God, which is Zion, the church. How do people treat God's house?
Wow.
Number one. Number two is the high priest. Hebrews 4:14 to 16. Hebrews 4:14 to 16. You should recognize the high priesthood of Jesus.
Wow. I saw 4.
Number 3, a Holy Spirit engagement.
Wow.
Holy Spirit engagement. Galatians chapter number 3, 1 to 3. Holy Ghost in Yuma warrior. How do we accept it? The way we even present it to people can bring a curse in the land. It's Paul can Galatians chapter 3 Galatians 4 why now bewitching? Then I be Holy Ghost in Yuma dear. And number 4, the wholesome tongue. Now Isaiah 54:17 and Proverbs 18:21, James chapter 3 from verse 8 and 9. Wholesome tongue.
Wow.
Now one mystery be Nankupon edit 2 Israel force man and Numbers chapter 5 apostle from verse 14 through 22. Onyamen na makwankyere so akwankyere edi yi no me efri nipa eni won fie ene won tibia mu so. Numbers 5:14 through 22. Nyame na makwankyere a odi ma Moses so adejira wan fa kwankyere na ma nipa bia. Bible no mo won wa yehu akwankyere a etimi dane no me nhira ana etimi dane nhira eye no me eye Moses ene Balaam.
Wow.
Moses ene Balaam. Enti no se etiefo ebehunu ne nyame hyehyɛ yetie na omakoma beba fa hudi a ewo Kristo mu na mo do mo ho asi ho ama nyame koro, the holy city of God, the high priesthood of Jesus, the Holy Ghost manifestation, the wholesome tongue, and going through the rituals of consecration. Na afei wa mode adwumadin ebetai wa mabra boto a Genesis 27:40 o se wo kentina wo ho a ubeyi konua na firi so modern bo ebu musuo abasa so se betumi akansa nyama nsia ya bom na Yesu se wo man na Nyankopɔn ehu ye mobo a.
Wow.
Ebruchire Ghana betumi adane ebruchire.
Amen.
Asati biara can be turned to either a blessing or a curse by the prayer of the righteous.
Wow.
The apostle, will be with you in spirit, will be there present to help you get all this. We are
kwenya ba wo kan like akwankyere to me numi Friday saying obi obetre fi omba. But a bit me and Nam Saturday. I know. Asempa evangelist for catcher, no, don't catch it and say, would you Christo dear BBS? But antes are Namini ho, Namini Edin Trum, Namini Edin Trum, and over some Kodada Eve. It might be car, Nukuno. Naman won't say. And then I mean, I buy a baby some send a DNLC. It's going to me and go to me. I say, okay, DLC Biano, my paper. National Sans Rono, SSL. The law of cause and effect, it is there. But now you knew. Well, it's in a message for Numbers chapter 5. They should take their time. Read from verse 14 to 22. Wow. You will read it says, and you will take the curse out of the land. You will take the curse out of the house. You will take the curse out of the people. You will take the curse out of your home. Curses are caused when divinity is jealous over his creation. But who's can be busy? Bible ni na mo no ye Jesus free mo
nipa wo munya sa enchiasie wa kwankyere no mu no eye Moses and Balaam. That means you will be a kwankyere na ye adwuma.
Wow.
Aya na ada ye ho. Ene ba bia be ko bia ma kwankyere bia na ye adwuma. Kwankyere ye adwuma no Nyankopɔn de ne ntiasie ne humu na hofama ewura sa nipa no mu. That is what they should know. The Ghana Betia, you don't lose one night before God. You gain a change in your life. You gain a change. Now I want to say, holy, I call it holy ritual. That was the thing and I go on the two Israel for no and so and almost to be a friend of Kabbalah. Almost so much ding at the try Israel in Pegachi. Israel in Pegana Yehuno we are no. And she shall be a quantity tertiary. In Sikwa. Wow. In Sikwa, America now Yehuno now will be a person of Americano. Or more show of mine as an aquanchilebi. The spirit of the fathers. Provoke Nyankopɔn and she say the entire America or more first amendment I just say nipa biara aban biara ntimi nsesa no eye wo mu gidie e wo say Nyankopɔn ebi wo musika get also in God we trust. They can change the paper, they can change everything, but they can't change the first amendment. They can't. Wow. International say yamma ye ne brese wo man ne hu say point ni yam faso. Israel man kan bio Israel wo kwa ene wo mo na ewiase omo edi akotene wo sika semu ne scientific discoveries mu ne ade no omo wo esun bia ye fra no Kabbalah obi a wotie mi onim bia wote ase omo na omo edi nyame asem nyame pharmacy no mutumi no omo agina so edi tai Israel chi abesine ama Israel edru ba bia edru no. Wow, we have to get there as a nation. We can think amamufuo ne amampanyimfuo ne policy makers ina ado amojim. Oh papa, but look at what they do. Papa, they think mere talk can change the land. Okay, you bet me a coin, car coin. 5 years na coin na say. Which na buy a coin be 50-60 years. And the coin is good. If the foundation is destroyed, apostle. And no make us there is nothing the righteous can do. Papa nyamisha pa nyami aduma ebia week you to next week me fra about assassin na me kosa ye dodo na ntiase se wasase se ya se wasase yare ya papa esu nipa esu amanyosem bibia yare omuntiase omunko bisa Naaman Elijah sana yare no again what they call the krum enya no tie emfasudie ni so a nkobeka kirenze me pawo chaw ko tosre no ma mensa ukromu na tie yi bi apostle ni pawo shabre se you bo dua na benyawa dua no connected to either earth or water nsuo ana no tie it is all person we because akwankyere na e wo number 5 no e akwankyere e na nsuo mu ene no tie mu. They shouldn't joke with that. A opportunity, a kwenya, and no one out drinking yet, Namena, a yachero, and a 1 month more didn't to me near kwenya. Everybody must rally around you to make this happen. Mamma can we enter to the bishop or work Canada, who program no posters no, and no frame. Let me cut also, hey, and a brandy in a measure. So this dominates a kwanya yamano. No do minor tona koma so. Was nyamie shirano papa. Nipa do what any benya sa kwanya we. Papa me bishop or Canada, Bishop Ebenezer Sende. Papa of frame because of that. Just nipa mpa me no koya me ma no call we say me maintain no for kasa. Tine me me anonte no me ma no call no for buy no papa. Wa yare me na san ya admit no. Emma says, Wabubu, they don't pay me now. Or the horse is here Sunday, the whole church in 3 years, some bompire, Emma, say, whoop at the womb.
anwene kwasa no north upper east Bolgatanga ne Techimai Kumase ene sa estro north na me man kwasa no papa ya admit no enura mato
Apostle Revelation chapter number 12 Onyankopon ma total salvation eba asoro no again wo kan kira asase munie enotie munie efi so twiase no ya to na basase so ni nice asase so ne na ho den na ho fama nyina no o de pasase na je na wadi so fully.
Wow.
Anything about earth is about territory. Isaiah 14 was mama the seed of wickedness and flourish. Now man just as in a content so anti-true. Hey. Isaiah 14 20 to 22. Apostle to the end is that people don't see the reality of it. People don't see the reality of it. And then it is this prayer. Me our mobile meeting about sorry now a bompire mirade. You know, kind of messa on mine the land, messa assassino yare assassin the land. Messa assassino yare assassin na yare star and a nipa in yana hoto.
Wow.
Apostle Radin Kang.
I mean, Kanhopa.
I'm not going to because you never be brave, but
me sure.
Me,
Papa,
we will go through some of these exercises together.
Papa, by Yamiadmo on the 19th, Nabagan and Wahoo.
19th.
Amen. If I may do Ghana soon, and obey me what to me. I mean, shop. Me Ghana so full penny phobia time. Just saying, oh, Papa, me that's what
they need to. They need to. Because Apostle Yanika Crow, Yahono Niamao, Yahono Yadman and Zuka Crow. Yawo and Yaniawo ye and fire when you know, Yaye be any dachi. Assassina be Yama. Assassino. A be Yama, a be Buagunia in Aso, and do most of the churches you know today will not be standing. I'm not a prophet of doom, but I've seen a little. I've seen a little and I know what can happen.
Yeah, me sure that me that say. Papa le chine komo ye fe no Bishop elect Chinebua Kudia Victory Bible Church. Papa penemu pa nyame nam so ebie so bebre. Wo ye me spiritual father. Obe so ko Facebook papa na me man ko north now. Wo bubu no. Ye no ewo asori ho be me ya asori no. Most of the room de oil eye na say Mr. Yimanyame na aye madoma ka owuto me so Ghana fa hodie ye o se na be ya assassin betumi etumpon ma o man pani bi obeba so bia na tumi ebu o man yie enu nti me ye sa dwumade adi be 19 years enye na me hyase to be face bia fe na me hyase a che be 19 years ni a di ma me man Ghana am person man Ghana etumpon it is 16 regions anya makofa ban upper west region wa upper east Bolgatanga north east region na regu and what papa northern region Tamale Bron ahafu Sunyane Bono East Techimai ahafu region ahafu Gosho Uti region Dambai Ashanti region Kumasi Western region Sekenita Krade Western North Serioso Volta region Ho Eastern region Koforidua Central region Cape Coast Greater Accra region Accra Savannah region Damango. They say emu 13 diaba no emu 14 diaba aka dambai anyho and the na enam kwanswa eba Uti region and a Volta region. Last week me kofa sehwide ebaye etinyame adom ye de ni na ba bedu ene me no be kasa na me bie phone na tumba yenye break akra emra e pacho wo Facebook wa share ma me na hwe program so Facebook na hwe ne o ma course wo asori ho no e wo Facebook papa na obubu ye no everybody shop e bra ye commercial ba sisi
capsules. VENE Ven capsules. A full supplement. A semi 30 and a papa 4. A year 2 and
Asempa FM
424. What you cry? A man men I pay for a batch of more money for them. Quadra when you feel me and come. Ven capsules. Manum be a man John so a flow come up. The sister crady. The friend wife or just so yes my king.
Mijina watch my king.
Hey middle
Ven capsules. Said the again when Yama Kings no. Won't so ya McCain. Ven capsules as yes ye wamame.
Wow. And ye won't so ya me queen. Ven capsules as yes ye wama say wa honke ka so many pa.
Pharmacy, chemical and herbal shops.
At 4 Rock Care Clinic Limited. At Denta Pantan Junction. Or Care TV Danumwa at 4 0244 18 32 30.
Ven capsules.
VENE.
FD Ashusha Sa Ejedi Enkrato Imu Aja to Muse Eye.
Joy Brand made in Ghana Far. It also 9 air bustle. A free year wada 31st October. Kosi 3rd November 2019. Ewo Junction Mola. Ewo Nungwa Barrier. A friend of Panongotre. Kosi and you men on Debia. Yetimu pa yejina so. And the brand Ghana for global exports. So pesa will beton a deal ho. And nasa will be sa sema. Freya was our true for you so 0556 304521. Ana 0540 106466. Abua for Motayechi and Ecobank. The Pan African Bank. GTP. Timeless.
I love my soccer. The National Theatre of Ghana presents the 5th edition of Ghana Theatre Festival, scheduled for 23rd to 29th September 2019, with the theme Nurturing and Growing Artistic Voices. Featured on the bill, Nagbewa, Man Talk, Woman Talk, Talk Party, Big Man Wahala on Movie Thursday, and Hall of Time. Featuring Legon Pamwine Group and, of course, Dromona Cultural Band, Love Line, and even classical. Kunawana, Files for Sale, Man One, and The Love for Mamavi. Side attractions are the Top and Affair by Ware Ghana, Live Painting by Vasep, and Art Exhibitions by Gava. All will start from 10 a.m. to 10 p.m. Main performances are scheduled for 6 p.m. at the Folks Place, 4 p.m. and 8 p.m. at the main auditorium. Rate 50 Ghana cedis for single, 80 for double, and of course 20 Ghana cedis for students with ID. Media partners, Multimedia Group, Graphic Communications, New Times Corporation, GNA, Insight Newspaper, and The Statesman. It's going to be an amazing theatrical experience.
Anokwa. Sunny Grace Homeopathic Clinic. Esa ya die. Ye benya chapa o.
Ye besa so service kapa.
Nentiase. Wo be service ka wo Grace Homeopathic Clinic. Na sa ho ya de do motion.
Obani right o. Okopa General Consulting, Laboratory Services, Physiotherapy, General Body Scan, and Dietary Counseling. Bibia e free. Grace Homeopathic Clinic en charge he.
Hey, are you sure?
Eya no krepa.
Agisika kakra bia wo betua e de aduru. Wo mu no so de en nam papa sa. Oho so onante no kasa enkoye. We adwuma kakra bia no abre. Eduane eto yema na oyam eya oya.
Wo beti obese menjare so mente apo. E chese wo yare da yare kro da wo huru.
Eno ane se obekọ Grace Homeopathic Clinic na odi abefu emfidi ahwehwe ni peduanum asaw yare. Grace Homeopathic Clinic e Medina akachi abo last stop for 0556 181 666 and 020 006 7500.
Grace Homeopathic Clinic,
a mission from God for humanity.
Eradi nhyira bebree pa mo a mohwe wo Facebook no papa na me ma no call North ono na wada ho no ya tra medical so na nye yenti na wo say ye bompa ye ma no ono me ma no call Upper East Eboliga North East Narigu Northern Region Tamale Techimai I have forgot so Kumasi die ni say yes anaju 1 a.m. na be say Kumasi die Accra die yakose bi e Old Castle and yes akose bi wo Parliament and yes akose bi wo Independence Square near dia bom enkran die no Sehwidie no makofa ba takwade dia ba bedu Say ye troni asase tumi ya ehu papa say me papa kasa wote ye sisi ameka say ni pedue mu wi no dompe mu wi no Miss Mana kona no ho okompo na kwanche me yegu ni skro na ene senka manya kwanche bank eka ebia wawu edum be ko ka wo ba bi no tumi ntra ka mu biem na say me bomb pie wo phone so man no ase wo tumi ato anso kwose aba ni nyina Ghana fa ahodie you see make us say 16 regions ni nyina emu two pede na ma ye oti region and a voter region ya ka nyina e wo me office aye bosom pie den ka we come company na na kufu ado say am pass wo mo odo nyame nim nyame ka ya papa John Dramani omati obi anya ho hwe so wo po mani ye pa ka baby anka ye de fe ye baby anka be bo man pa ye ba beto ba numa wo be ye gwa sa so doso be pulutu asase no empanini ni ade won so wo hwe won se me de oil hwe na ase hwe won se me de oil hwe na ase nyame adu fi Sunday up to now and an why den kakra Jehovah Sama omo ye okotofo akonfo no ete sa de omunim se no ba bia nyame nkoko de fana no den omuni gina bia wasase so obi bi odi kosua ensan nipa moja kasatra sase wofu eso nipa Asempa FM ewiase nyina asase enuma wom ewo so pa ya Ghana eso nipa eso fa so pa titru ni Ghana ye struggle pa asase ne yare emu nipa yare hweye kwan hwe ne afede wo ma bagida ba school mu abeche yi mu friend kwala de ses everybody should enter me be for us na to but netie me che sunshuma ware na de a me che na ehu pa yi wo sa no pa wutie bi within 10 minutes na fe me be for us ntum makacho say sunshuma ware a edin krofo nya no ye wo incestuous asa incestuous no e yade ba ko e hadwen papa no spirit husband and wife and then a wutia matre resident matre physical husband matre territorial spirit matre hermaphrodite matre hidden matre masquerading multiple na mention ye and meet me chre oma etoro be enkofota rape omo ye was spirit ya almost one by in gang multiple spirit omo chunhum da yemu anom ne wada is a busana se humili ta ne wada sa unyina wo ya den obi nipa bit ma rape 2 or 3 people can come to you and rape you it ni na say you rape obi a mama fa no ma to be a spirit say bia bofra 10 years na maame na akonfo abeto asos na nipa be se 4 ne wada en fa no ma say akonfo a spirit bi a e wo huhum mu a ono no oba mienu miensan nan ono beda Sandy ni bini wada pa ana one country papa pastor bi ama ya mom pema wa luckily say wa brabo mu na wunyina wo kono nipa bi ebetumi abeto so repu ni wada sunsun efe ni agrosa tini ye ne beboa say wo ha utie na waso da yesi nipa be 3-4 ni wada the same night ya ko hu pastor bi no mom pa ye ma nya sa nipa be 4 betumi abeto so repu ko sa sasano abedi wachi sa insert yo ya make an wasemi ayadia anoden wo hwe even amemu mpa Ghana ha wo hwe in section 105 of the law Ghana ha no yemremu article 105 it's an abomination and illegal to engage in an incest about relationship ma so papa no mama ada o mame no papa unua o chiriba ayadia Ghana ha mpo no emretia and how much more yamianim is a one sister da uno mammy ada unu nuachiri bada sanyo mano ayadia e yinyamie ni monyam free wo so e ma bi basa na to da bia a spirit e wo fie ho una na yebi enu nti no ode awo maame e bia una nakra ni ku won ne te no oni e bia ni nua badai ano ni ne bapani bi dai una na no bonu wa mehunu wo ko ena wo nana wo maame no mo so abanyini e de awo mo etu wudi agwa wo nua beda a wanya careful because say wonye woni suban ba na yesunsun bi e wo fi hono mo a sa spirit na urama e borama se mo tumi andele no wa mo mpa yentia e wi akete wo nua beda wudi agwa wo papa e ba beda e yesunsun bi ano odi e wo fi ho e to da bia wo nana ba ebia oni ebia ni nua ba eku ada wanka obi on pa omutu ko yi muso ahemfie asɛm pia ɛma ebi ɔhen yi apaye na stotore bi a honhom na asom no omunye mu a spirit wudi agra wo ma no oba no ba betumi ada obɛboɔ mo saa anya adwuma ɛyɛ sunsum ana ɛyɛ wo saa ɛti sɛ wotie na sɛ bia no sister da ono brada bibie fra so to my friend na yɛ mo mpa yɛ mam ɛna coming Friday trade fair to communion wani bibra yɛ mo so mpa yɛ na yɛ ma no bi ne nkyɛ wade ade bɛyɛ na sɛ muso ne fruitri so nyɛ saa sɛ wan kate saa de ne mfi wachi a ɛbɛ ha dwen pa yɛ papa kasa sa wotie wɔ se nneɔma ɛmɛ no medane the holy city of God church and kaisanka and sorry aban emano me dane beden yehui and sorry abampo na emano me ba mo ko asori bi ono mo o de motia na ya asori so bo Yesu din e wade kubuo fukura mo wade mame watapa ensuo si dem na ode eya asori wade bible kase atoso emeruade adwa mo ni pe gum nyame abuo fukura mo Easter sanka sorry be no me adane efres asem so rather than sorry about this yes sorry about this time you put a you provoke nyame more everybody bufu share adore asase ne more I'm telling you no crap na make catch on can you come mama sase adane eh churches good churches ti sofo asofo mutie me anopai mo ma yen sorry e benam asori so ka asori wo ebia Dansoma Metako Kaneshini Adia. The church has ability, authority to change the land. To make some editing be a the church has the right power to bless the land. Or say, the high priest Asofo Penifo Nesaka Massa for no assassin Danny. And the most are sovereign penny for politics and this near PP and a young day because or per car or pass I say or per connection and a young day say a bay assassin what you mapa and my assassin to 2.8 baby or police for penny for a backing lawyers are backing or pay or money more question when you're quite D and you move I could free say a better man can suffer penny for the massas not done. I'm no my yama no debida. I suffer penny for my sorry. Yapa panum, midstream, so Messiah, our brass council. Yamian Yakupo trustee, yourself, a trustee, Moseb, young Kolea Yebe, Yabe Famoso, I actually aquastro, but then you win. So Penibia Brew be asset, will be a brew be asset, will be a cobi asset. So I dare keep my assassinate to me a danny, as I can suffer penny for. Anna. As I saw some people more software, you be an idea software by heart, yes, software, they are software, see where you should chamata papa, yes, software, because a bid my brother Bontino, then you can't, and they are say software now, but a benema software so. We hear David Yahinia, a software, a guardia hiniano, Bibinia no call, Odifo, Yamese Day, Yamese say, Kaya software and Kaboko Yahobine. Saka sofo kan ye be so man pania e bom paye ka sofo be sofo so sokonwa mu bom paye de senya mensa ba ye be fra konfo abaye nuoma wo hodomo. The second was him Holy Spirit saka ma won kokro kwan ye adwuma de ne ehu emotia akom ne ye kom ason dem won kokro anya adwuma biem ye ntene nka atro lelesoro lanko tunton nuoma I was on them the sound man, a pamo concron sound man. Like a engaging one concro at the name and a parliamenty, like a concron bomb payasa. And Sakurabona say, you be so much peniquabona. Yeah, there's a been one of my. I am not against a son Dania or my penipes will see. But baby was saying, me jamo. Shadaya wobu. Then wobu assassin at that pram ha. Asase ada eastern region asase da hano kakrakata tretepa en kakromo traffic yache hwe kwanya edi flache mota eba ha hwe kaneshi hwe kasoa eba krom hwe tema eba krom nuwa traffic yache say na ye bubu asondan wo ye bubu dan abanso pa yesi ye be 3 4 5 years ni wo krom say ye be sia asondan emewrade na nyame Yakopo no mbo hwehwe krom traffic e wo krom pa woma. Ohwe traffic e wo krom pa woma. traffic ewo kuro masaki ye kosisi baby. I am not against ye kosisi pram ho baby as I said the kakaka na ke ya ne kese kama ye bubu dan okuro mu sei adwe atachi ni sei then aseche bi enim okoka no madwa me menia ndisi menia pipi me o Yesu party mu na no kwade ye woka ho nya hi and was say ye hwe ye tachi ma yie ye tachi ma the whole sum of our tongue or say ye cancer papa ye hwe nyoma ye beka eyie ebo ma no ana feso akwankyere ye da kwankyere to fom akwankyere to fom ye da kwankyere to fom se den ekọ nyame se den akwankyere be na se ye de masase no beboa school year sama abai e da akwankyere ne be ye betumi akate sade afi ho den ye be ye nye tobe presenter samutie me nyakasa bebre ba ye hia akwankyere be stop amanu ma bi etumi asi na bibie firi ho no makọ na nyame nsa kese sonko anopa ready shop sanoma we na ye no me a nipa titi nipa brabo na meka we na de atwa macho say ye me ni amre a mompa ye so afa nyame a ebe de se Ghana man betumi ye de etumpom ade ba ko na meka kire atiefo about woman astral spirit husband and wife o ha na wo ye successful ye careful obi frɛ phone so na mo da wo phone no so na mo miamia ho phone no so na be na ho san offense say e yokum e oyire e demonic sade na wo ye no o ma ebeye bi eye astral spirit oyo oba okotfo ta use sade no pa we dani pete no otuko wo twen wo kra no okum ne sa no ma no enuti ba bia wo bia to me e imagine obi na ni nipa ne da wo fon so obi won potumi di pillow ne kura no wo hwe ne bed so tadi bed akasa kese nko a samne on ne paso we imagine tadi bed ne sa na ne ho sane eye spirit bia no odin obi to hwe oba bi senya pa kwesi o hwe oba ne senya na ne ho asori na ne ho nsu ade aba obi to hwe bema bi senya na ne ho nyina afo eye demon a spirit bia anu odin and the woman astral spirit husband and wife or you serious bet emanu ukwatra US not Ghana we have sex dey bia wo phone so sa eye evil spirit e wo say mo hwe now sade ni bi wo so am we na wujai se na be ya nyame ni mo nyam betumi ada edi wo so na raden sa etumi aba wo so e che mbebie phone no atum na transfer spirit husband and wife enso yade ba ko a e ha adwen ko phone no ma motaje je ba ko Genesis 13 to 18 Judah ene Tama edaye one ne daye no saa de ni ba emoja mu ema wo hwe awonto to aso saa adwamansam me ne me badam ni ahyewe ni ada me ne ahyewe fo twempra etatamu saa totomu saa ma Simon kura ekoware Rehab dwamanfo pa otedan no o mo so ewoye listen wo hwe background na Yesu firi na adwamansam ne memas sense ade ni woman no Yesu be pie kire say no matter how our background is it here no matter how ade a waye boni a waye no matter dia esi owo emuaye de my life tini ye kenya woni aponchanda woni kramanda woni oganda da boda anu yie ni Jesus so far Jesus no say uru naokrajen kwam was whosoever shall call upon him shall be saved and me be fullness not to man pay na ade bi esi wo life mu a wo hia wo je nyame abasa kese wo so baka say Friday ye be die e kwan ni nyina kire trade fair center no me bi e wo fie de na papa so o maame so obusuani bi so de na mo bi so onum asem so de na ade bi a wanka so waye so o ba na wato communion wan de aba e hyase enumre na 6 etamu san akopema no pa 4 eye international trade fair center na obeyin shrapa be fullness na tum na bibi how bibi tete wa wafre na afi ya bompa ya ma na opese oba empaibo no susu bia ya setna pampa boden den ya de lance betudwa with me afre 0302216545 0302216545 0302216545 and 0302216546 tokro ketwa na waje so emu nsempi tokro ketwa 0302216545 tokro ketwa
Emunsampi
tokro ketwa
Emunsampi
Sumoho
money matters
papa udini bebe kasa free
Me deni papa ya dodo na after me second mayor. Chairman.
Papa.
Eja meet you. Papa tete aso for more marry. Ekini kan kwete de o kan na commander fan nto papa extra. Papa na ko pon show papa pan ko ana kan kwene de. Etre o my Ghana. Ye mpeni for no o mu nwa o mane ba no. Papa so pon area be for so ko kaso a. Kan see traffic. Traffic. Ko du kaso. Ye mpeni for no disane o me na to Papa, I'm not going to be taught why.
Let me show you that papa. Talk crooked one. Talk crooked one.
A moon SMP.
Who didn't baby cast a free papa?
A friend me Godson, me free fit and try.
Me too fit and try here.
That yeah, one
Oh, you're missing no. 0302216545 0302216545 and 0302216546. Talk rocket one. Papa udini baby kasa free.
Papa fulani no.
What's it? Fulani.
Yeah.
But you meet your papa.
Oh asama wakano. Hey. I asamo. Na papa na osuma no no. Oye no funi ana.
Oye no funi ofri.
Ofri
Boliga.
Ofi Boliga.
Yeah.
But oye Christoni.
Papa.
Yeah. Man mbambu.
Mati.
Me tune said that papa.
Ba me tias here.
Bibilia Yankopon or this washe. Nti man mbambu say okoye nyame agima ana wabubu dia na ke say nyame eni nefa. Yankopon wana fa papa ba oba kire no say or send foundation.
Jesus. Yamisha papa.
O de dadie national foundation enye dia. Nti Yankopon tikire ne wure.
Jesus.
No money and something ejima pa from Ghana mine. Na Ghana mine entimi nkoye e mine. Papa.
Yamisha. Misme da se pa. Tokro kitwa. Nyame tokro kitwa. Na kempa bono ye di bi kwatema ne kasoa ne fair say Medina, but this time ye di paboni na equal trade fair center into baby a wo bia no ni na because wo trade fair center. Tokro kitwa 03022165. Tokro kitwa. Oh, yentene kan ye yemfa foforo. Tokro kitwa.
Emotion mebre.
Ma mudini baby akasa free.
Paje friend Magdalene me free takwa.
Hey. What ballroom?
My ballroom.
What ballroom? Asetna pa president. Takwa. Takwa. Asetna pa etise pacho kwase ho.
Da pacho ya bia bibi aboko wa hasi.
Wow. Yamisha
bebre that they want church. In fact, ubi anyway, Benjamin bebre home. If you say spiritual marriage covenant, one but in church, from there say, you are who do bebre. If you say when any what the unkwa, next I'll be telling say when and no the unkwa. Yamisha bebre when you are pa Obama Ghana. Where you said you'll be in Chiaoka. And so we say Ghana 4 how many am bebre semua. O person nyame fa so die nie wo se nyama bebre ho nyame hia bebre ye bon pa se nyame ma o sponsors no mo tin sponsor dwumedi a odi na Christopher yen fa sika sponsor nyama bi ti say na nyame fa so e hia ye bebre nyame ya adom e hia de nsi ye hia
eje tuato din Yamisha pa Asetna pa president takwa na minika san wedding show Asetna pa Tokro kitwa.
So for
Yamisha so papa.
And then my first time I met you.
Wow. Me da say.
Yamisha bebre but kakra me de beto so ne say Ghana ye o mind dia ye mpenifo no. Omo amanyame na kuma ni Ghana mu bio.
Oh.
Because of enyama omo ye. So mu nyama omo ye. Omo egu asase no fin. Nyame hia Ghana bebre but because of ade omo ye no omo bi ye nipa na ye to abama omo Sebi ya bompae say ye to aba ama mpenifo mba be di anim na ye hu atoye na Ghana ye ntumpo no omo ba ye no no mo abedani no in a different manner omo ndwen
asemo
ye koye ye koto mu na ye so nyame so a nyame di be ebe hu omo mobo ana omo ndwen o Ghana hwe kasa obi na wa friend say enra me free takrade it took me 4 good hours.
And
from Budungram to Malam Junction. And I want in them, and no more year, no more the motorcade, no in the Musa, yeah, to Abama, yes, I'm out wine. Now, would you want to sing? That is 7 years I've been a woman. And you, the piano, ye end the traffic moon. Now, would you would America say, we are Beniti? A numia and a domonim, omonim. A numia pa and a domonim. Now, almost year, Yamisuma said that ye by Yepeman Yami as of war, and yet as of Biana as of four. By your war as of four, Omuye Yamisopwa. They need to call them together and make sure that the land they pray over it so that the God will have mercy on Ghana, the nation Ghana. Because we are econo before Ghana you be too pono. A bad thing. Yesuku Nyameswa, and I bet but because the leaders they are not involving themselves into Christianity. And a man I can say we don't supposed to suffer a bit. Road in the area within 3 days, 6 months, not road.
Not say near to 2.
And then you are resourceful. Utu kwa abrochi memoir. Almost bread, stones, any gravels near, they buy it. I had no say no, a free. And the other thing to me, una motorway, port holes, no more.
Yamisha, papa. That's what that's a pa. A brand of come for free for to talk with it. A
Mozambique.
A Jaudin in the back as a friend of free for your tour.
I am from a rapper.
I meet you. Oh, okay.
And so some and call it a book beer. Naya Tony, a share so at the bonfire.
Macho Bukukra, man, destiny in the womb, and so I'm on top.
Oh,
I'm on top. Yeah, Macho book, man, destiny in the womb, I'm on top. Serious one, Payasanka. Doctor Sawagana for Nina Betobi, Uncle Mukusuya. Nurses, but will be on top. Tiajanya Mishra, what Ghana, no, that's it. Everybody, papa. Everybody, Reverend Siama, Gethsemane Hill City Chapel, Bodja, say, Everybody, Shamapa, Madam Wasenim Pabamo, boss support to me. Adebakwa, Mr. Ghana, for you, and say, a young Mokdana, Mobe Bompire, Mommy, just 2 minutes, you woman, Mompire, mammy, Menema, Asafono. Na radimi kwa maye because eye dwumadie bia ano den papa nyame adoma setna pampa bodin den no 12 Fridays no se na medical catch wono nanka ye kwa soa nanka ye kwa soa nanka ye sanso akotema ye Medina but sane ye yenhye de nyina sports intino ye be ni nyina ewo Tweet Fair Center because oko hono school mu no rent plant a lot of things it ye be ni nyina wo Tweet Fair Center. Even baby, the no good Trade Fair Center, and a cababre. It Nina because we Trade Fair Center, honey, dear Yanina, because all the 16 regions Nina, because it baby will be no beba Trade Fair Center, Temafo, Yanyama, Kaswa, Yanyama, Medina, Yanyama, Yin Bishemo, Trade Fair Center, Hona, 2 Fridays in Ebecoso Honomo. Nameka was say, mobile annual engagement series, you know. Infante Pim Old Boys Association at the Enkaibo at the tour. And at fully name, Mr. Wemba Bishiemu, Adrian Jensen, a Beya, Infante Pim school bit me a coso. I resist Adrian for need him dear bit me a bois, technology bit me a bois. A day in Kenya Best School Nimon. The Media Becoso Wednesday, 16th October. Ekoban Ghana Head Office Auditorium Ridge Accra. Now, all my twins are from Pennyfoot to say Nana Kwabina Inketia Mobile no 69 Robert Daniels Ono so Fantepim 79. Alexander Mensah Hagan. Ono so Fantepim 89. And Mr. Kofi Safo Achia. Ono so 99. Mina Atonsa for Professor Philip Ebo Bonzi Samson Ono so 78. If I told you na bro na fa wo hwem na wo think about ye nyu hu free na bebo apa Joy FM and also yasin Joy News and Daily Graphic na so yasin open cheche mu bia bobo na free number me to Joy 0556439873 kai say give us an association scientific Heba clinic Heba Indumu party or a champion I dear many German say Fisuni a powerful power go through my dear be a new DC in the Pediamuno Ebia will waste pain malaria and how with type power now what typhoid and now type boa or me and can be for Numba and you give us scientific for laboratory a good testimony the how power no macatro almost answer massage best scanning the pediatric camera actual the coin a how but almost answer and penny for a church would be in DMU ye Senebeya would be in DMU bit to me aboa pa over to me from 024014329 Chibro a tishi near Bamboo Sport Bomodena Cornomo na Grace will Patrick and so Omundo de powerful pa Omoma and Adebia how ni pediamin biano Humberto MBBI fine general body scan laboratory service consult general consulting so a counseling man modi DMS mano Omo Medina Akachia ball last tour meet me at 05561816666 Grace Homeopathic Clinic, a mission from God for humanity. Rock and so, Omadruno so the Bomodiana Kupibinato. Now, what was our sortie and also a Pahua Ulus weight. Ojon Shaw, Junsomu, Oti out, Oti pay. Is Fitabita Muba. Push straight enlargement. Bomodi, Omo bit me a Buama Huatopa. Vein capsules. Omo akami natural mineral water and only the nom a park maybe to see to precope Omo Adenta Pantan Junction Omo KTV Danumwa and a Kumase Abuabo with me and you been so a year Repatch Ventures King's Walk Nisi Pharmacy Nina or Kanshi and Osans and Besley Pharmacy Fraser 244-183230 Nebebuapa and I pay for right and say open papa pay die hwam etu ebuama about time ho tomo pa dia ene na eye ana pay for rice over to me akọ Agbogbo road near police barrier ho no mo and open kesi ato akọ Okman Limited and from 02788889993 and 020-8039-309 Momodin Nako Hobi Obapa product at the Obapa Queen Macrin Aba Anunso ya the power the year for is two and quite abomu ya kama pa Anunso ni de unimadu boy ma when you taste Momodin Afre 0302-608359 na kaisa setna pampa bodin den maskwa bishia nadwi otonyum ubo drums ebishia Wednesday anajo bomodin say obetumi opesa otonyum e assetra pa maskwa na wo yebi ubo drums ubo ganya ehia ni padom ebetonyum ahye Yesu de nemonya 0543229863 my number is 0242141707 and 0244883702 you be share Wednesday and anadua e was Asempa all night show and I do 12:3 a.m. and at Thursday so a certain power workers e be share fan for 12 Fridays all night everybody show never then come home be producers for nyamenya mokesi e be share that's in there bye bye.